am Ty with WTI, and I want to show you guys the deodorant that I'm going to be putting on today. It's this Dove deodorant in the scent Original Clean. What I love about this deodorant is that it actually works. So I'm a heavy sweater, and whenever I apply this deodorant, I don't have that uncomfortable, wet, sticky feeling underneath my arms. It really does help me not to sweat as much. And I love the smell of it. It smells really nice and fresh and clean. And it also applies on invisible, clear. So this is what my underarms look like whenever I apply it. So whenever I wear a shirt that is not long sleeve, if I wear a short sleeve shirt, I'm not self-conscious about raising my arms and there being a bunch of white underneath my arms because it goes on clear. So I love that about this deodorant, and that's my point of view.